Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So I have the new Apple Watch Series 7 here. I currently use the Series 4. As you can see, I'm using the stainless steel Series 4. This is the new stainless steel graphite version. So it'd be interesting to see what it's like with my stainless steel link bracelet that I have, because I'm a big fan of this link bracelet. Very high quality link bracelet. It's the genuine link bracelet from Apple. Absolutely fantastic. I've had it since 2015 and it still looks great. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing for the Series 7 and let's see what we have. So you have the traditional box that you expect, all white box. And then once you open out, you get the very nice Apple Watch packaging. We have the watch itself in here, and then we also have the Apple Watch band. So this is actually the Milanese loop in graphite, I think it is. Is it in graphite? It doesn't really say on here. It just says Milanese loop, magnetic closure. But yeah, as you can see, it's like black graphite color. We'll open this first. We'll move the packaging out of the way because I wonder what this is going to be like compared to my link bracelet that I have. Oh, by the way, if you like this desk mat that you see here that I'm using to unbox all this stuff, check it out, ulxstore.com. I'll leave a link to it down in the description below. But yeah, let's unbox this Milanese loop. Some Apple Watch branding there. And then just a guide on how to actually put the Milanese loop on the watch itself. And then we have the watch band. So it looks like it comes out of here. Pretty nice. Let's move the packaging out of the way. Yeah, I mean, it feels high quality. I mean, so it should. It's not a cheap band at all compared to the other sport bands that there are. All black, looks really nice. I like it. Oh, there's another bit of plastic here. Let's take that off as well. Yeah, super high quality. The magnet is nice and strong as well. Feels good. Compared to my link bracelet, you can see the color difference. So yeah, I like it. I think it looks pretty good. But I'm going to see what my link bracelet is like with the new watch as well. I sort of had this as almost like a backup, you could say, because I actually only have one watch band, which is this one. And it's the one watch band that I always use. I'm obsessed with it. So actually, no, that's a lie. I do also have the sport band as well, but I don't think I've ever used the sport band. There we go. So yeah, no sort of different special packaging for the stainless steel models. Before we get into the watch, we'll look at what's underneath. So we have the new Apple Watch charger. So this new charger is now USB-C, which will give you that fast charging because the Apple Watch Series 7 can now charge 33% faster. I think it can also charge, there we go, yeah. 8 minutes of charging now provides 8 hours of sleep tracking, which is also pretty awesome. Nice to have. So just put it on the watch stand or whatever else, Apple Watch charger for 8 minutes, and then you can have it on throughout the night, tracking your sleep. So I don't actually use my watch for sleep tracking right now. So I think I might start doing that with the Series 7. So let's get the watch itself. Okay, so I'm zoomed in now so you can get a better view of the watch itself. So as you can see, this is the 41mm. I've always preferred the smaller size because I have small wrists. This is also the 40mm Series 4. So jumping to the Series 7, it's going to be a big jump for me, for sure. Let's get this out. Really in there, Jesus. Okay. There we are. So the graphite, I'll take my watch off in a second. But let's turn this thing on. It does look really nice. Looks really, really nice. I've always been a big fan of the stainless steel because it just looks more classy. Looks more expensive and luxurious. I mean, it is more expensive. So if we look at what's actually different with the new Series 7, we have the new S7 processor. I don't know how different that is from the S6, to be honest. It's also now dustproof, so it's IP6X rated. The front crystal is 50% thicker. So the actual crystal that you see over the display itself is 50% thicker, which also means that it's a lot more crack resistant. Apple are saying, yeah, it's the most crack resistant front display that they've put in an Apple Watch. Who knows how actually crack resistant it will be, because my watch is the stainless steel, like I said. I have absolutely smashed this watch. I have smashed up against concrete, I've dropped it, I've done all sorts to it, but it still looks new. There is not a single scratch on the display, which has just amazed me at how well it's held up. Stainless steel watches just hold up so much better than the aluminium ones, naturally, because obviously stainless steel is tougher than aluminium. But yeah, let's actually set up the watch, shall we? I've always liked the sort of setup process. It's always been really nice. Set up for myself, position it in the frame. There we go. Easy peasy. Obviously the biggest change with the Series 7 is that the screen is bigger compared to the previous model. But yeah, it looks like the watch itself may be just a tad bit bigger, but the screen is obviously the big thing. The screen is definitely, I can already tell the screen is so much bigger than the Series 4. Apple is saying 50% more screen area. We still have a lot of the same specs from last year, like the always on LED display, OLED display. We also have the blood oxygen sensor, the ECG, fall detection, water resistance up to 50 meters. Yeah, just a lot of the same options as last year. To be honest, if you're someone who has a Series 6, I can completely understand why this probably isn't worthy enough of an upgrade. But for me, who's on a Series 4, upgrading to a Series 7 is actually a big jump, especially for the always on display, because the Series 4 does not have an always on display. So that would be a nice feature to have for sure. To me as well, it almost feels and looks a bit more rounded compared to my Series 4. Not exactly sure why, but I don't know if you can tell on camera, it is a little bit bigger. Very subtly, a little bit bigger, but it's such a small size difference that most people probably wouldn't be able to tell unless they have the older watch side by side. Let's put the Milanese loop on the watch itself. Oh, nearly lost the strap, it's gone through the watch, there we go. And the actual mechanism of putting it on, yeah, pretty easy, pretty smooth. There we are. Does look really good. Oh, I can already tell as well, the buttons are much clickier. Even just the unlock screen, the unlock button, the keypad is so much bigger. I put both watches on so that you guys can see. I feel like that would actually make more sense if I put both watches on, so you can see the difference. Okay, so I've got both watches on now. Looks a bit ridiculous, but hey, why not? But that should give you maybe a better idea of the size difference, how the buttons are just much larger. You can also see the two displays like so. This also has some of the new displays, some of the new watch faces. But I can definitely tell just looking at these two watch faces, because I like this watch face because of all the complications. There's more spacing between each of the complications, I guess you could call them, compared to the Series 4. But yeah, this is really nice. This looks really good. I'm really looking forward to using it. I won't have a dedicated review, mainly because I feel like there's just not enough difference. But I thought I'd show you guys anyway, show you sort of the unboxing experience, the first impressions, show you some of the stuff on the watch itself. Let's take off my Link bracelet watch, like so. And let's go through some of the new features. So, I know we have the new watch faces, so let's try one of the new watch faces. We have the contour. We also have the modular duo, portraits, and world time. Let's try the contour. Regular, I guess, yeah. We can change the dial color. Oh no, okay, I want that off for sure. Can we change the style? Regular, rounded, regular, rounded. Oh, I see, okay. So the font itself can be regular or rounded. I'll leave it on regular. We can also change the color. Go through each of the colors. Let me wipe it down, there we go. Let's see what colors they have. Oh, I actually quite like this rainbow color, even though I know I'm into my black and white and grays. I'm actually quite a fan of this rainbow color. Looks quite nice. Starlight, abyss blue, tap to add more colors. Oh, okay, nice. They have different colors here as well. Do they have gray? That's what I'm looking for, gray or white. You know what, I like this one. This one looks quite cool. Let's do that one. A soft white, nice. Okay, complications. Oh, okay, so you can have your own complications as well. So, yeah, I'll just have the date. That'd be easiest. And then you can add stuff to here as well. So let's add the weather. Temperature. There we go. That looks pretty darn good. And you can obviously use the dial to change, well, I guess not change, but go through the numbers. Honestly, that looks awesome. That looks super, super nice. I like that a lot. But I think I still prefer my infograph watch face, mainly because of all those complications. So I wanted to try the keyboard as well, because now you have the swiping keyboard on this Series 7. Can't get it on the other watches, I think it's only on the Series 7. So let's do hello. Will it get my name? No, I don't think it will. Oh, it is a bit it is a bit tough to actually type. Actually, the Apple Watch Series 7. Oh, 8. 7, there we go. You know what? Oh, you can see like it's still not that easy. But you know what? It actually worked quite well. I was quite impressed by that. It worked better than I expected it to, I'll be honest with you. When it comes to pricing, if I look at the pricing, the aluminium version, the 41mm, is $399 and the 45mm is $429. The stainless steel, which is the one I have here, the stainless steel 41mm is $699 and the 45mm is $729. And then if you go up even more and you go to titanium, the 41mm is $799 and the 45mm is $849. So the stainless steel and the titanium come with cellular anyway. You don't have to upgrade to cellular, it just includes it. But to be honest, the cellular for me, I don't actually use it. I usually have my phone nearby, so I don't need to have its own cellular plan on it. It would have been nice if they did a Wi-Fi only version, because then I could have saved some money. But yeah, like I said, the reason why I go for the stainless steel is because I just find it a lot harder wearing and a lot nicer looking as well. But let's switch over the watch bands and try my stainless steel link bracelet and see what it looks like. Let me compare the two again side by side. So yeah, Series 7 on this side, Series 4 on that side. You can see the screen size difference, definitely noticeably bigger on the Series 7. Complications look bigger, just everything looks bigger. But yeah, let's try my link bracelet on this one. So, okay, we're in. And you know what? Even though this is the graphite model, it matches incredibly well. It looks like I will be able to continue using my stainless steel link bracelet. That was my biggest concern, that the stainless steel link bracelet just wouldn't match, but it matches very, very well. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I think that looks pretty darn awesome. So yeah, that is the Apple Watch Series 7. I'll take some pictures of it, put it on my Instagram and Twitter and stuff like that, so follow me on there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.